What is Joplin, and why Encrypt Notes?
Joplin is a popular open-source note-taking app for organizing your thoughts and information. Many users store sensitive data, so keeping notes private is crucial. Encryption protects your notes by turning them into unreadable code. Only you, with the right password, can unlock and read them, ensuring your personal or confidential information stays safe, even on shared devices or cloud storage.
How Joplin Encryption works.
Joplin uses end-to-end encryption, which means your notes are encrypted on your device before they're synced to the cloud or other devices. Only your secret password can unlock them. Even if someone gains access to your files, the content stays protected. Joplin's encryption uses strong algorithms like AES 256, which is widely trusted for security and privacy.
Setting up encryption in Joplin.
To start encrypting your notes, go to Tools, select Encryption, and then click Enable Encryption. You'll be prompted to create a password. Make sure it's strong and memorable, as losing it means you can't access your encrypted notes. Joplin will begin encrypting your existing notes and all new notes automatically after setup.
Syncing and unlocking encrypted notes.
When syncing across devices, Joplin asks for your encryption password on each device. Enter the same strong password to unlock and view your notes everywhere. If you forget your password, even Joplin cannot recover your notes. Make sure to save your password securely. The encryption process is automatic, keeping your workflow smooth and your data protected.
Managing encryption and best practices.
Regularly update your Joplin app for security improvements. Review your encryption settings in the app's menu if needed. Never share your encryption password. For extra safety, consider enabling two-factor authentication on your cloud storage service. By following these steps, you ensure your notes stay private and secure, giving you peace of mind while using Joplin.